You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin is sitting at 38.4k level at this area, and then on ETH right here, we've seen this very spike in the market to the downside as a result of the Bitcoin dominance spike around this area. The market beginning to move up. The same thing we see on BTC right here as well, a spike to the downside, respecting this very support and market going back right up at this very area. Although this very area is very important, just like this very area as well is very important on ETH. Are we going to see the market move right up, relating it to the Bitcoin dominance coming right down? So what are we expecting now in the market, both in the longer term and also in the short term? So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also leave a like and share this video. Check the channel for other educational content. So let's dive right in here. In my previous video, I've been talking about this strong resistance and support. So right now, what I want to show you on the longer term, if we see this indicator come into the oversold territory, this price action is expecting at this very area of support, then that also means that markets have capacity of going back up. That means we have high tendency for the bulls to take control of the market from this area to the upside. So what I am looking out for right now, where this market is on Bitcoin, is that the market should come back into the oversold territory around this area, and Bitcoin price should be expecting at this very area of support. Then that will give high tendency for BTC to move to the upside. So this could possibly be market coming back into this level, because we've seen the market expecting this range in the past. So we see the market move from here to the upside, come back right down, move again, then come into this area of support, come to resistance, and right now we are at this support level. So possibly if market is going back up from this very area, then we could see the market come back right up again to test this level. So two things very important right now is this very key level. So if market break down, like I said in my previous video, then we are going to see the market come back right down into this very area of 34 and 33k level on Bitcoin price. And then if market break up on this very strong resistance, then that also means that market is going to go right up, and we are going to see the market to this level of 51 and 52k level at this very area. So this is what I am expecting right now at this very level of support in relation to this very stochastic indicator. Then if you come back to the 4-hour Bitcoin price, we see this very rejection in the market yesterday, and this was as a result of, on the Bitcoin dominance, we see a spike about coming to the downside, and then market move right up. So right now what this implies is that since we see the market on the 1-hour chart form a divergence and market go up a little bit on this area, respecting this very resistance, market come back right down in relation to a spike on the Bitcoin dominance right here. So what I am looking out for, since we are still on this very strong support, I am expecting the market to get a little bit of bounce to the upside. If the market cross this very level of 39k, then that also means market is going to go back up to this level of 41 before we see possible retracement to the downside. Then if the market come back right down, breaking this very level of support, then that also means we are going to see the market come back right down into this level of strong support, that is 34 and 33k level at this very area. So this is what I am looking out for right now on Bitcoin. On ETH USDT, I was talking about this very area of support, and right now market have come back into this very strong support level, although we've not seen the market create a new low below this very support. And on the stochastic is already at oversold condition. That also means that if we see price action sustain around this area, then when the market is coming back out of this very oversold territory, we expect the market to go back right up. Now in this case, this will be a retracement to the upside before continuation to the downside. That also means that if you look at this very price action right there, we see impulse right there, retracement, and then impulse again. The reason is because when markets move from this area to the downside, it creates a new low, lower than the previous low at this very area, and then when it move up, it does not create a high higher than the previous high at this area. So we were seeing a lower high at this very point, and we're seeing a lower low at this very area, and the market come back right down to create a new low at this very point, lower than the previous low at this very area as well. So what I am expecting right right now on the chart is the market should be sustained around this area of support, and then on the stochastic, I want to see the market come out of the oversold territory to the upside. That will also enhance Ethereum to move a little bit to the upside before we'll see the continuation to the downside. At the moment, we are still in the downtrend, but I am expecting a retracement to the upside a little bit before continuation of the market to the downside. For the market to go up, I want to see a fail swing. That means if the market moves to the upside and then fail to create a new low, then we see the market come back right up and break this very level of resistance. Then that also means market is going to go back up from this area. So this is what I am looking out for on ETH on the longer term, and on ETH on the shorter term right here. If you look at this very area, this was the same spike that happened on Bitcoin. The same thing on the Bitcoin dominance. We see this very spike right here, and the market move up with these two bullish candle, and then on ETH we see these two bullish candle as well coming up. That also means that if we see the market try to come back down on the Bitcoin dominance, we could see possible move of Ethereum to the downside, maybe possibly break this very area of support to the downside at this very area of $2,300 level at this very point of strong support. I also give this trade on the VIP group on ETH, and we are still holding this position. I just want to see the market move a little bit and we will close the position in profit. On the Bitcoin dominance, if you look at this very well, if we see two bearish candles to the downside, that means we are experiencing the market move from here to the downside, and this is a possible retracement. That is what it implies. That also means that if this is a retracement, market will come back right down. So on the Bitcoin dominance, if market come back right down, we could see ETH come back right down, and Bitcoin as well is going to come back right down. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT on the longer term and ETH USDT on the longer term. What do you think about the market right now? We are still in the bear market. Are you expecting a little push to the upside on ETH and BTC? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. If you don't register on Binance, OKX, crypto.com, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description below. And if you want to enroll for the Remit course, check the description and see a contact and reach out to us immediately for intensive cryptocurrency training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.